part of the Lasec Group, which has for the last 75 years been supplying quality, dependable solutions and services to the laboratory, medical and scientific community, our dedicated sample collection kit packing facility has, since 2006, been supporting sample collection requirements throughout Africa and in other developing nations across the world. Our single-use sample collection kits contain everything required to take a sample safely and efficiently from one patient, either through self-sampling or with the assistance of a healthcare worker. Our facility is ISO 13485 certified and held to the highest standard of biological sample collection requirements. We have been audited by customers, funding agencies, implementation partners and suppliers. With just over 11,000 square feet of clean room capacity, our scalable facility can produce up to 24,000 single-use sample collection kits per day. Our dry blood spot, whole blood and HPV sample collection kits are CE marked. We know that early and accurate diagnosis leads to effective treatment being administered. That is why at Lasec we source and supply only the highest quality components, ensuring that sample collection is reliable, safe and efficient. Our dedicated global sales team is focused on supporting customers with quick turnaround times on inquiries. They are supported by our country managers who understand the landscape, the regulatory requirements by in-country authorities and the logistical considerations for each territory. They travel across Africa supporting customers on the ground with upscaling initiatives, stock planning and technical support. We are committed to partnering with implementation partners and customers to end disproportionate disease burdens throughout Africa, targeting HIV, TB, malaria, COVID and cervical cancer, to name just a few. Our sample collection kits are 100% customizable, and we work with our customers and implementation partners on addressing sample collection requirements in each field environment. This includes any additions for easy integration into existing laboratory systems. We focus on sustainable long-term implementation of screening programs in-country by upskilling healthcare workers and laboratory technicians. Our vast and established supply chain allows us to source components from all over the world. Our stringent onboarding process of both individual products and suppliers or manufacturers ensure that quality standards are maintained while doing our utmost to improve affordability per test. Our in-house logistics team support the export, freight, clearance and to-door delivery in destination country. Our agile approach and extensive footprint into Africa ensures that we are able to support our customers and our partners beyond the delivery of product. We offer laboratory consumables and instrumentation for a variety of testing requirements. Our biotechnology range includes real-time PCR, and an expanding clinical division supports rapid diagnostic testing, amongst others. We are Africans with the skill set and the passion to support our continent in the drive to improved healthcare.